Okay, this is a quick tutorial on replacing the variable valve timing solenoids. And the way you can tell the difference between the intake and the exhaust is the way the plug seats. The one on your left here is the intake. You can see they have like little square nodules on the side. And the one on the right is the exhaust, and just has like a mushroom cap. Okay. Now when identifying which one is which on the engine, it's very simple. Intake manifold, intake side. Exhaust manifold, exhaust side. Alright? All you have to do is remove those two clips, and then there's a bolt that comes out. 10mm. Sorry about that. 10mm bolt, and be careful when you take the bolt out because you don't want to drop it down into anything. And when you put the new solenoid in, very simple. Put the bolt into that hole first, and then drop it in. It's the easiest way to do it. And then position it and start turning in the bolt. All right, stand by. Okay. Both solenoids are installed, tightened, in the correct position. We're just going to put everything back together and give it a start. Everything's secured, everything is operating properly. Got a nice solid idle now. Just a quick tip here. Bolt for here and down on the throttle body down here are both 8mm. The bolts for the variable valve timing solenoids is 10mm. Pretty simple, quick installation. And there you go.